Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my entire home, how I have decorated it for the summer. As you guys hopefully know, if you've seen my past home decor haul videos, I've done so many of them recently, so that means I have brought in so much new home decor and I'm really excited to use all of that new stuff in today's video and just share with you guys how I am incorporating all of the new pieces that I've brought in. My style has changed so much since when I first began YouTube, and so all of these new items were really fun to decorate with and just play around with. I have lots of neutrals with some pops of floral. I love using faux greenery and just toned down pieces of decor. We are going to go room by room, starting with the family room. I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. Let's jump right in and get started. Before starting to film this video, I went through all of my existing spring and summer decor. I separated it all from what I want to keep and what I want to sell or donate. So I made my 3 different piles. Here are all of the empty bins that once held a ton of decor, and I'm really happy to say that I was able to sell about 95% of the decor that was in here. So that was really awesome. And then here's most of the stuff that I have brought into my home that I'm planning on using more year round. So this stuff won't have to go in bins in the crawl space. I have a little spot in the laundry room that I will just rotate through decor. Like I said, all of this is pretty much year round, not seasonal, other than that adorable wooden bunny silhouette. So I have everything laid out, and as I decorate, I'm able to see everything and kind of play around with different looks. When it comes to this seasonal decor that I have for the time being decided to keep, I'm really going to try and be selective. Whatever does not get put out and used, I'm probably going to just end up selling. I have found that it's super simple to say that you really like a piece of decor until it comes time to actually put it out and use it, and take it out of the bin or the storage. So if I cannot find spots for the majority of what I've held on to, then I'm just going to list it on my Facebook Marketplace and try and sell it and make some money. I do like to be informative with each of my videos and just share with you guys my tips and my process along the way. Now that that has all been said, let's get started decorating down here. So for the mantle, I love layering pieces and just incorporating a bunch of different textures and colors. Even though I try to be super neutral with the color selection that I bring into my home, I still like having a contrast between like darker colors and lighter pieces. So as you can see, that wooden window in the left-hand corner of the screen, it's not super visible, but it still does add texture as well as layers to the mantle. And then summer is the season that my husband and I got married. So I always like to celebrate it a little bit more than just our anniversary date. And that is when I bring out more of like our wedding decor, some more wedding photos. All right, now we are up in the living room, and one thing that I love doing seasonally is just changing out the pillows and the blankets. That is such an easy and cost-effective way to kind of change up a room's look or just the colors. So for the winter, we use really dark, heavy blankets, and then for the spring and summer seasons, I like to take out the lighter and brighter blankets. And of course, as I clean and as I decorate, I love lighting some candles to kind of just bring in those seasonal scents. And whether it is Christmas, spring, summer, or fall, I love using string lighting throughout the year in different various ways, but I love the cozy vibes that string lighting provides. Alright, so now we are decorating the kitchen. I like to keep things as minimal as possible. While I love decorating, I kind of am torn between keeping things minimalistic while also bringing in some vibes for the season. But for the most part, I do like to have my kitchen counters clear of clutter unless the clutter is stuff that we actually use within the kitchen and it can serve a purpose other than just being decor. So that is why I incorporate a lot of these wooden cutting boards. I think they bring a nice warm element into the kitchen, but they're also functional as kitchenwares. So we are now in the dining room, and this room's decor and style has probably changed the most. I went from sparkly and silver to gray and like woodsy, rustic. So this room has been a lot of fun to kind of redecorate. And now we are going to get working on the infamous bird cage. I like to use these glasses that came from our wedding just because they are really important to me, but I don't really have anywhere to put them that keeps them safe. And in this bird cage, I am able to use them as props and also keep them safe and have them out. And then of course I have to have like a designated area for my wine. I love this little winery area in our dining room. And then lastly, moving out to the front stoop. I don't have too much room to work with as far as decor. I am waiting for the day for my husband to build me a porch that I could really go all out with when it comes to decor. But here is this little corner that I love decorating seasonally. But for now, here is this little corner that I absolutely love decorating seasonally. And most of these decor pieces that are out here now, I actually used to use inside of my home, and I got to the point where I didn't really know where to put these pieces anymore, and I didn't have space for them, but I still really liked them. So instead of getting rid of them, I decided to just bring them outside and use them for outdoor decor. So the majority of the outdoor decor that I use out here is either from the house, and then a lot of it I've also found at Goodwill and garage sales. So I try to keep things pretty inexpensive when it comes to outdoor decor, just in case if it gets ruined by the elements of the weather. So that about does it for this full home decorate with me. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I always enjoy creating these videos and just kind of letting you guys in on how I decorate and my thought process while decorating. I am so excited to share with you guys the entire home refresh series that I have been working on for the last 6 months. I have changed up a lot of the decor in my home, but those are of course smaller and easier changes, and I have been working on so many like larger, more noticeable, bigger projects to share with you guys that we have been completing and working on in each room of our home. So I'm so excited to get those videos up and share with you guys the transformation. So I hope you guys join me for those videos as well. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. I would really appreciate it. If you could give this video a big thumbs up, I would appreciate that as well. And if you are not yet following me on Instagram, please make sure to go ahead and follow me over there. I will have my Instagram name down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I truly appreciate it. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts in the comment section below, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Until then, I will leave you with some final clips of how the house turned out. Take care. Bye.